Social media isn't just for sharing vacation photos anymore. It's evolved into a dynamic platform where connections are made and businesses thrive. It's a powerful tool for affiliate marketers to earn big. With the right strategy, you can turn your social media presence into a lucrative income stream. Think of it as your online megaphone, broadcasting product recommendations to a massive audience. Your voice can reach thousands, even millions, with just a few clicks. Why is social media marketing so effective? It's because it allows you to target specific audiences with precision, because it's all about connecting with people. Social media platforms are designed to foster interaction and engagement. You're not just throwing ads into the void, you're building relationships with potential customers. Engaging with your audience makes them feel valued and heard. By sharing your authentic experiences with products, you build trust and credibility. People appreciate genuine reviews and personal stories. People are more likely to buy from someone they feel they know and like. Authenticity is key in the world of affiliate marketing. Ready to harness the power of social media for your affiliate marketing success? The potential is limitless if you know how to tap into it. Let's dive into the top platforms and how to leverage them like a pro. From Instagram to TikTok, each platform offers unique opportunities to connect with your audience and drive sales. Instagram is a visual playground, perfect for showcasing products in all their glory. High-quality images and videos are key to grabbing attention in a fast-scrolling feed. Use Instagram stories to give your audience a behind-the-scenes look at how you use the product in your daily life. Stories are engaging and disappear after 24 hours, creating a sense of urgency. Don't forget about Instagram Live. Interact with your followers in real time, answer questions about the product, and offer exclusive deals. Instagram is all about aesthetics. Create visually cohesive content that aligns with your brand and appeals to your target audience. Facebook boasts billions of users, making it a goldmine for reaching your target market. But it's not just about sheer numbers, it's about connecting with the right people. Facebook groups are hubs for people with shared interests. Join groups relevant to your niche and participate actively. Don't just spam your affiliate links, provide value, answer questions, and build relationships. Create a Facebook page dedicated to your niche. Share valuable content related to your affiliate products such as tutorials, reviews, and comparisons. Facebook ads can amplify your reach and target specific demographics. Experiment with different ad formats and track your results to see what resonates best with your audience. Pinterest is a visual search engine where users go to discover ideas and inspiration. It's a powerful platform for driving traffic to your affiliate products. Create eye-catching pins that showcase the benefits of your affiliate products. Use high-quality images and compelling descriptions that encourage users to click through to your website. Organize your pins into relevant boards that cater to specific interests within your niche. For example, if you promote kitchen appliances, create boards for healthy recipes, time-saving kitchen hacks, and stylish kitchen decor. Collaborate with other Pinterest users in your niche to expand your reach. Join group boards and participate in pin challenges to get your content seen by a wider audience. Section 5. Choosing the right platform for your products. While Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are all powerhouses, the right platform depends on your niche and target audience. Do your products shine visually? Instagram might be your ideal match. Are you targeting communities passionate about specific topics? Facebook groups could be your ticket to success. Does your audience love seeking inspiration and discovering new ideas? Pinterest is a haven for visual planners. Don't spread yourself too thin by trying to be everywhere at once. Focus your efforts on the platforms where your target audience spends their time. Section 6. Crafting content that converts. Tips for success. No matter which platform you choose, content is king. Whether you're on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or any other social media platform, the quality and relevance of your content can make or break your success. But it's not enough to just post anything. Your content needs to convert viewers into buyers. This means understanding your audience's needs and desires, and crafting your message to resonate with them on a deeper level. Highlight the benefits. Don't just list features. Explain how the product will make your audience's life easier, better, or more enjoyable. For instance, if you're promoting a fitness product, talk about how it can help them achieve their health goals faster and more efficiently. Show, don't tell. Use high-quality images and videos to demonstrate the product in action. Visual content is far more engaging and can help your audience understand the value of your product quickly. Let your audience visualize themselves using it. When people can see themselves benefiting from a product, they are more likely to make a purchase. Tell a story. People connect with narratives. Share a compelling story about how the product has made a difference in your life or someone else's. This creates an emotional connection and makes your content more memorable. Share your personal experience with the product and how it's benefited you. Authenticity is key. People can tell when you're being genuine, and this builds trust. Include a call to action. Tell your audience exactly what you want them to do, whether it's clicking a link in your bio, visiting your website, or leaving a comment. Be clear and direct and make it easy for them to take the next step. Section 7. Engaging your audience. Building relationships that last. Social media is a two-way street. It's not just about broadcasting your message, it's about building relationships with your audience. Respond to comments and messages, show your audience you're listening and value their engagement. Ask questions, encourage interaction by asking your followers for their opinions, experiences, and recommendations. Run contests and giveaways. Everyone loves free stuff. Contests and giveaways are a fun way to boost engagement and generate excitement around your affiliate products. Be authentic. People can spot a fake from a mile away. Be genuine, relatable, and let your personality shine through in your content. Section 8. Disclosure. Transparency is key. When promoting affiliate products, transparency is paramount. Your audience needs to know that you may earn a commission if they make a purchase through your link. Disclose your affiliate relationships clearly and conspicuously. Use hashtags like #ad or #affiliate in your posts. Include a disclaimer in your bio or on your website. Being upfront about your affiliate relationships builds trust with your audience. It shows you're not trying to hide anything, and that you genuinely believe in the products you're promoting. Section 9. Tracking your progress, measuring what matters. To optimize your affiliate marketing efforts, you need to track your progress. Social media platforms offer valuable insights into what's working and what's not. Pay attention to metrics like click-through rates. How many people are clicking on your affiliate links? Conversion rates. How many clicks are turning into actual sales? And engagement rates. How many likes, comments, and shares are your posts receiving? By analyzing these metrics, you can identify your most successful content and strategies. Use this data to refine your approach and maximize your earnings. Section 10. Staying ahead of the curve. Social media is ever evolving. The world of social media is constantly changing. Every day, millions of users interact with various platforms, creating a dynamic and ever-shifting landscape. New platforms emerge, algorithms shift, and trends come and go. What's popular today might be obsolete tomorrow. To stay ahead of the game, you need to be adaptable and willing to learn. This means constantly updating your knowledge and skills. Stay informed. Follow industry blogs, attend webinars, and participate in online forums where experts share their insights. Listen to podcasts to keep your finger on the pulse of social media marketing. These resources can provide valuable tips and strategies. Experiment with new features. Social media platforms are constantly rolling out new tools and features. Trying them out can give you a competitive edge. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works for you. Testing different approaches can lead to discovering what resonates best with your audience. Engage with your audience. Your followers are your best resource. Their feedback can guide your content strategy. Ask them what they want to see more of, what content they find most valuable, and what keeps them coming back. Understand what challenges they're facing. This will help you create content that addresses their needs and builds a loyal community. Section 11. Ready, set, grow, start your affiliate marketing journey today. The world of affiliate marketing on social media is yours to conquer. With the right strategies, a dash of creativity, and a commitment to engaging your audience, you can turn your social media presence into a powerful income stream. Remember, success takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay consistent, experiment, and never stop learning. Now go out there and make it happen. Your affiliate marketing success story awaits.